So, in short, we were also giving examples that there are many women who are also brave. Now, but the advice for this is to the man that you should also be brave. What else? Yeah. Now, let's go look at the flower. Who knows who insurance? Who sees insurance?
Are not like that. They're like fatter. They're fatter and they have cheetah print in them. Okay, if you don't give it.
Cheese.
Hey, thank you.
Mumra!
They're not all like this. Most of them are. Why would older people come to a playground? And they look like. It's not a playground. This is a park. Like going over there. I think it's a field trip.
I go.
Field trip.
I go. Find out who insurance. Insurance wahi. Insurance wahi. Insurance wahi. Wahi.
Wait.
Insurance? Wait, insurance.
Really? No.
Insurance.
I thought she was asking for the name.
Insurance. Bibisa said insurance wahi. So I was asking you, where is the insurance? Ebine and so wahi. Ebine wahi. Ne.
Your sister's.
Inti, you say, Oba, to say, I go. Inti, Ebene say. So the proverb is that Oba to say churumu insurance. So a woman is like churumu insurance.
And this is the husband.
Aye, no, kunu yen hobai.
I was smelling.
Yes, I'm
No, it's just a small fish. Oh, I found one on the floor. Thursday is glasses day. Thursdays is glasses day? I don't wear that much. I'm not blind that much. I can
Go.
Oh, but that's tomorrow. I thought about a few times filling my eye test so I can wear glasses. But then I told my mom that
That's his dad is gonna.
I go.
Amen.
I go.
Amen.
Why me say Montanasi?
Wait.
Why me say Montanasi?
Okay, here's the ticket.
Why me say Montanasi? Surreya.
Oh my God.
Surreya.
You know what? Thanks.
You need.
Did high schoolers, they came in for a field Where's your case? Ah! Give me some. Wait, which way?
Just imagine if we had a whole bunch of them.
Break the stem. That's a break the stem.
Oh, okay. So it has a squiggly line on the outside. Ah, okay. I'm thinking kind of fancy. And those are plots of gardens inside.
Oh,
Got it.
Until none of y'all were home, so none of y'all have seen it. That the abine and on our trap through no hushia, that the fence is what is surrounding the plots in the garden. Wrong.
Hey.
And Tiafi, Obia Choro Choro Yana, has everyone written this down? Yeah, that's your mom entertain, you shouldn't know. So in the future, please don't. It was on the ground. Yeah, tough one.
Yellow flowers.
Yeah, Abibifahodie.
Yeah,
Abibifahodie.
yeah.
I didn't hear Pabia. What do we say every morning? Yeah, Abibifahodie. When you're not Munchoro. And what I didn't hear. So after that, what do we say? What's in my obia? And see, I didn't have Tema, and it says, Bibi Yo Ya, with Temau. Say Bibi Yo Ya, with Temau. What is that? It is, you make an say, Bibi Yo Ya, say Bibi Brawa, Bram Mekasim with Temau, as a children. Bibi, I feel for you.
Empathy? That's what Tema stands for?
Montuaso, Ago,
Amen.
Ago. And then you can't know Pabia, my person you know, Yabaya, Soraya, Nkosi, Monja, Casa, Muntie. Hey, one of yes. Yen Twasso.
The teacher is looking for you guys to
Remember the human? We're on the struggles for our elders. We strive to be human.
Ah! Can no monka she have the monka nyina bum. Before you want to say anything, now you want to say all at once. It's a monka.
You only write so fast.
Monka, ebium. Yeah, Abibifahodie. You back out there. We remember what? What will we remember? It's a way. You better can't when you can't have that. So we're going to move this to the right. Yebeka ya nanom tema. Yebeka ya nanom tema animonyam ne amanihuno. Yebeka ya nananom tema animonyam ne amanihuno. Dem fofro. Go strive what? You be prepare yon. You be prepare yon. Ama we na wotro. Ya di wo yam na ya di ya. Actually, over yeah, Abibifahodie. Yebeka ya nananom tema animonyam ne amanihuno. Yebe prepare yon ho. Amadie. I know it's inside.
The rest of the next line.
Who knows the next line?
Next line, Mikose, what's the next line after I will strive to... What was it? I will strive to...
I thought it was.
And new lives. Like
life meaning that a different way of looking at it. Not lives physically being but new life meaning that you put life until you resurrected it and it makes you think in a different way, more positive, more loving way, more.
Yeah,
It's Said that also. Egg. But look at this word here. Here's a word that's got these two together. What makes those two sounds different in that word? Yeah.
This is sedye.
Sedye.
And
So
this
one
is
is, so the
ebeye.
E is kind of like a E sound, long E sound.
that E is longer and
Yeah.
the regular E is
Oh.
Where you eh?
Eh.
The name of the letter and the sound of the letter are one and the same. This is the letter eh. E. E. But this one can have two sound values in Chi. It can either be A as expected or it can have an I sound as an if or grip or slip.
Okay, what about this backwards C?
Or
And if you'll notice, there are no C's. Everything makes a click sound. And if anything's going to make a CH sound, it's usually a E, Y, W.
you be pre yo huh?
If there's no CH, would that mean my name is K-Y-I?
K Y E G.
Stay with me.
So what would my name be?
Isu. It's you. Ama. Yeah, Abibifahodie.
Yeah, Abibifahodie.
You be kai ya nanonom.
Rebecca, no.
Tema.
Chema,
Animonyam.
Animonyam,
Ni amanihuno.
Nea Manihuno,
You be pre yo huh?
Yebe Preprenya,
Serebeya.
Serebea,
There are some fofro.
their son Bosco,
Ni abrabo fofro.
Ne Abra,
Beba ama Abibifahodie.
Neva, Ama, Abibifahodie.
It says the
What's the start from the end? Start from the end. These girls, because he is, that's what I wrote in our thing, because he knows
Let me be sir.
2 boys. 3 boys and 1.
Ago. Ago. Yeah, do honey, yeah. So what's the next line? Run on it. Yeah, him. Ama. And then I did.
Ah!
what's the next line? Does anyone know the next line?
Yeah, after we were out of what? Loudly, we were what? We were out of the struggles of our elders. Thank you. Tell your person knows all of it.
Me too.
Well, he's asking, you guys aren't saying anything. So remember where we left off. We were out of the struggles of our Okay, we're out of the struggle of our elders.
Yebedi. Enka. Yebedi.
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 Yempenimfo.
Yemen.
Yempenimfo. Ahopre. Noni.
Yemen front.
Yebedi yempenimfo ahopre noni.
Yebedi yemen front. Okay, noni.
Yebedi
Yebedi.
yempenimfo
Yemen front.
ahopre. Ahopre.
I'm hoping.
No. Ni.
I'm hoping. You sound like you got M all in What is the all in But in this sentence,
Ano waiting so the next. Ago. 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 Yeah, do one so.
the next line, ladies, one of you then. We did that, and we did the next. What's the next one? Say it loudly. We will have peace and harmony among us.
We will be loved and shared and created. We will be loved and shared and created. There's only one writing on the board. We will work steady and listen.
Kayla, it's called jumping the gun. Let's finish learning that part in G. Right, please do.
Yebenya
Yebenya,
asomdwe
asomdwe,
ni ahonto
nyahoto,
boyentam
boyentam,
abonundu apa osima abiasa nsia abonundu apa osima abiasa nsia yebenya asomdwe yebenya asomdwe
yebenya asomdwe.
yebenya asomdwe
Did somebody else learn tree besides me?
yebenya asomdwe
Yebenya asomdwe,
ni ahonto
nyahoto,
boyentam
boyentam.
no waiting so Vai cobrar. Vai cobrar.
Well, we need to get together and find out ourselves because I have to pick up the fact that we have two letters. That's the E that looks as if it's a backwards E, and then the C that looks as if it's a
Well, that backwards C kind of looks like a completed bow.
well, that can remind you that it's
Should.
there are no F's and no C's.
There's no F.
Oh no, there are F's. There are F's. You told me. There are no C's. Haven't seen me.
No X.
Haven't seen me X's.
No Q.
No X, no Q, no Z.
What's that?
Yes, fine. Yep. P, M, E, and yes. D,
Same guy.
Y,
He's just in a different setting. And so, Saturday had to be up there. That was I finally came. I didn't get there till 3 o'clock.
mine's are red.
And I saw the picture. They said that
But they really love chocolate dip.
yeah, mangoes probably doesn't go with onions. Mangoes and onions don't really go together. If you don't have them.
Ago.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
And then I just what's next?
Okay, what's next, guys?
No.
Kayla.
Kayla, you were so quick to.
Wait.
You know where we stopped, Kayla? We stopped at we will have peace and harmony among us.
We'll be loving share creator. We work stay listen to
Wait a minute, wait, after we will have peace among us, we what? Stop saying the whole thing, Kayla.
And you are there's water here. Open you know.
Okay. Guys, we'll be loving sharing. We work stay listen to
Then she put some plantations on the apple. Oh my goodness.
Is that part of the pledge? And she put plantain chips.
And they ate it up with the chocolate.
We will have-
I'm not saying that anymore.
She put what is it?
Plantain chips on the platter. That doesn't go in with our
Oh,
pledge in the morning.
I asked what's the next line, and you said and she put plantain chips. We'll work, study, and listen. So what's the next line?
Wait, what do we start?
Well, no, because you have to, I get to find out in Chi where we left off.
So we may learn. Wait, no. This is the big
Everything on there is Chi. translate it.
This is not
No,
the
it's not
song,
the
this
song.
is the pledge that you be saying in English every morning. So now you're going to learn how to say that same pledge in Chi instead of English.
You keep late. Where's it
But they're probably here in the morning.
We'll work, study, and listen and what?
We'll work, study, and listen.
So we may learn.
So we may learn.
Now I'm going to make part of it so we
Okay, kid, that's enough. No more. You said what's next?
So we may learn. Learn so we may what?
teach.
Yeah, I don't want you to make.
Learn so teach and we'll practice self-reliance.
Wow. We'll cultivate
We will
self-awareness.
cultivate. That's a big word for such a pretty little girl. Cultivate. It's not a letter, spell that word. Okay, so help me out. We will work, study, and listen, so we may learn. Learn, so we may teach. We will cultivate. C-U-L-T-I.
I told you.
We will cultivate self. R-E-L-I-A-N-C-E, reliance. Alright, got that.
That means some people are probably on the sweat.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, free water drinkers. We talking water drinkers. Now, what is that? No, no. After what?
They don't really
What's
like
after that?
They're only on the chicken side.
No, free stuff. Oh, you didn't have any water?
We'll cultivate self-reliance. Bobby, what's after we cultivate self-reliance? We will struggle to resurrect.
Oh, okay, we.
And unify our homeland.
That's
We will
right. That's too much.
struggle.
It keeps on making me like
to
this. It's annoying.
resurrect.
I can't move my console.
And unify.
It's annoying, really.
Can we just put it and then put times 2 or 3?
No, it's different line. Oh, you mean we?
Yebe Juma.
Look at this.
Hey,
But everybody good. Everybody went with Mama Cow.
Uncle Badalek, look. There's 3 screaming teenagers that used to be on that trampoline right here. 3 screaming teenagers.
We struggle to resurrect.
That's not scary.
Nkosi.
No
Kela.
resurrect.
This guy used the power gun to hit my ribs. The small guy that came here with my mom.
Hey.
The baby.
Mm.
He used it to hit my ribs. Really?
Hey, does anybody have an eraser? Who's the eraser?
I'll do it for you.
Kayla.
Yebe Juma. Yebe Juma. Yebe Juma. Yebe Siadia. Yebe Siadia. Yebe Siadia. Na yebe tie. Na yebe tie. Serebeya. Yebe Siadia.
He's still here. I'm here. Really, I'm there.
Yebe Siadia. Serebeya. Yebe Tradia.
Gray glasses. It's not live. She thinks white glasses. Gray is both black and. I know that. Which one's better? Gray or white? Gray or white?
Black.
Black? But no, gray is both black and white.
So gray represents death amongst the people of the Congo. Black represents life.
Wait, why black? Why black?
Because black is birth.
Are you talking about glasses?
Yeah.
White.
Wait, no. Yeah.
Black is completion, it's perfection, it's fulfillment.
No, I'm talking about black.
So if you have any color, start with white. Let's say you're mixing paints. Right? Start with white. Add in yellow. Add in brown. Add in pink. Add in blue. Add in purple. Add in green. Add in all the colors. When you finally get to completion, what color will you have?
Black. Or like a greenish, purplish.
Black.
Or if you mix blue and if you mix all the colors.
Add every color together, and what you'll end up with is black.
Or greenish, purplish.
That's in order. In all the colors. Not in order. Just add it. Yeah, just dump it in.
Got it.
Black. No, wait.
It's just gonna be a really dark color.
What I'm saying is, if somebody came over to me looking for advice which glasses color was better, you would say black.
I say white.
Well, I think my glasses are
You know what
black.
Mama Kala's name is?
How?
Kala. You know what Kala means in Kikongo language?
Birth.
Black.
It means black, it means birth, it means life. All three are the same word. So on Dikenga,
Will we say versus not to be
Dikenga, this is sunrise and it represented by black. It's called Kala. On the side, the highest point is called Tukula. Then here, this is gray. This is Luvemba, that's death. You come down here to Musoni, you come back up to Kala, which is black.
Okay, I can see. Amazing.
Dikenga.
So stop wearing those glasses. This is that. It would be that. No, what I said was, what was the best color in glasses? I think. Well, it's not completely
I think
gray.
it's white. That's silver.
Yeah, that's silver.
You think white is the best color?
No, I mean in glasses, if you're picking black, gray, or white, I say
Yeah,
white.
it is.
Red.
It's that game.
If you make black and white, it will turn
She looks like her. I don't know what to say.
like a candle.
If you wear gray glasses and go to Harvard, they'll accept it. Yeah. You do.
And somebody can be a dark gray.
Uncle Abado.
And
No,
then
if you go to
white.
it's okay. If you go to
See, this is a light gray.
If you go
So
to no, I'm
light color
serious.
there, that fuzzy part, that's a light gray.
If you go to college
Yeah,
with
dark
glasses
gray.
at Harvard, they'll accept you, right? I'm not done writing, Chelsea.
That doesn't mean I
My cousin's father said that as soon as
But
you
you
wear
gotta be a
glasses
teenager.
inside the whole school, everybody treats
You want to be a teenager. You love talking about teenagers.
Yeah. Don't worry, you'll be one
Soon enough.
In about, she's 10, right?
20 days.
No, maybe she's 9. She's 9, so maybe in about
She'll be an official teenager when she turns 13.
4 years
But
later.
she'll
I'll
be
take
a
I'll
preteen
take
and
it out
she's
over.
like
I'll
that.
take it out over.
4 years later, she'll be. I'm coming close to teenager. Yeah,
You're a
11.
preteen.
Yeah. 2 years more. Yeah, and I'm a teen. You a preteen. Preteen. I am.
Just a few more
Everybody's
months
a
till I'm a
preteen,
teenager.
not a 13.
Except me.
If you are choro,
No.
nah,
I'm
I
up
didn't
done.
know.
Like always.
It's
Making my trunk.
These type of glasses
That's
look
really
good
good.
on everybody. Yeah.
What?
These type of what I
That
they are
are-
beautiful.
Hey, I can't see.
They look good on
Finish.
these type of the circle ones.
I did finish.
They're good, but they're not.
But what? Who's doing
But
that?
this type of rectangular design, it looks good on
Dad,
everybody.
Dad,
It's
Dad.
not expensive. It looks like
Oh, I can't see.
Mama,
If you have a big
down
one,
here
if you have
before
a
you
big
actually
a project.
take
Well,
off
I
the,
thought this was such a small projector before.
because you don't stand on there with the equipment, so you don't knock it over, and it goes to you.
Wait, I'm not done writing. I'm not done writing. Wait, I'm coming. No.
Excuse me.
Careful.
I go.
Amen.
I go.
Amen.
I go.
Amen.
Where Dikenga na yakahwasem. This is what's called Dikenga that we were just speaking about. Osha tuntum na color. If you see black is color. Shwatadia.
My black is beautiful.
It's a color a war. A sanctuary of ya appear. A sanctuary in Kwan. So So Kala stands for blackness, it stands for birth, it stands for life, it also stands for sunrise. In which yo tukula we Kikongo Kasa. This is the Kikongo language, Ifri Congo, that comes from the Congo.
In Africa, right?
Osha, in which you have Tukula, so after that you have Tukula, Anoya original. After that you have Tukula, which is the sun at the high point at noon. In which November, so after that there's November, and that's represented by gray, and that's death. In which Musoni, Anoya Adesuabea, and that is the sun at midnight. In which the sun by color, a war.
Did you say it's a sun at midnight?
The sun at midnight.
Sun at midnight.
Yeah.
I heard this quote that. You know the orange sun? Like you know.
You mean the moon?
No, the sun.
No.
So, the sun at midnight. Do you see the sun at midnight?
No.
So, does the sun still exist?
Yes. Yeah.
It's on the other side of the world.
So, what you call noon is someone's midnight.
Ah.
Ah.
Why does gray represent death? Gray
Yeah.
is a good color. If you add a little shimmer in it, it's silver.
Yeah. No, I think what they're saying is the spirits are gray or something.
Hey, Bibi, Bibi, how you from Impemba? Impemba. There's something called Impemba. Ago.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
Kwaku, Kwaku. Mobosha, on the pay, you did Impemba na Esrasra Kwaku. If you notice that this morning we took Impemba and put it on Kwaku.
What's a pimba?
That's what I'm about to tell you.
Look up to the
Ago.
Amen.
Obian Tanasi.
Wait.
Obian Tanasi. Everyone sit down and listen. These are Tanasi.
American sit over there.
Mami ang kanyo.
I'm right. There you go. You sit next to Kayla.
And see, Impemba ya dia. So what is Impemba? Impemba ya dia what you from Shire. The Impemba is something that in Chi is called Shire.
What's in
Shire is no in Shire. Shire, that is what's called white clay.
Oh.
White clay or kaolin powder.
White clay is stuff they call animal. It's not good.
Why isn't it good, Amma?
It blocks the womb.
It blocks the
That's
womb.
big clay.
And it blocks the womb.
Womb.
Oh, it blocks the womb.
It blocks the room.
Womb. Now, how would you what? If you eat it, you mean?
A lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, people eat it.
Ago.
See, sometimes.
Amen.
Ago.
Sometimes there's some brownish
Ago.
stuff.
And see, Mamika, let me teach you about what this Impemba is. David. David. David, no, I just wanted to stand here.
I'm not done writing.
Because it's an ass. I'm a woman. It's a woman.
Just, you're blocking my view.
Let me say, woman, what's it, David? It's a woman.
You started this again.
Yes, yes.
That's why you did on Saturday.
Oh, yes, yes. Let me know when y'all are ready.
Oh, no. This is what me and Amma Benny have wanted to ask. So remember at the African Olympics, and then we had to go against the red flag?
Oh, did you pick him on purpose like that?
I knew it. Why?
Because he was white.
Why? Because you did it for the animal.
And then it was so funny because his face was so hilarious after you kicked him. He kept on turning around.
We stayed up all night until 2 o'clock.
Ago. Ago.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
And see, So as we were saying, Mpemba and idea Congo former fans say if no. So Mpemba is something that the people of the Congo say is coming from the ancestors. Now identity, if you say ebia woody a woodru that maybe you eat something that's poisonous. Now would this Mpemba a woodru nina ebeka Mpemba ho ebeko. So if you eat something that's otherwise poisonous, if you take in this Mpemba, the white clay, then it absorbs to the white clay and you expel it. What I say? Enti wobesha emwa omodi ebia nyaba omuntumi. So maybe the animals, you'll see animals that will eat something that is otherwise inedible. Na ade anka be ko omo no omo resa Mpemba na afidie enyomochi. So even if they eat something that's poisonous or that's otherwise inedible, that if they follow it up with this Mpemba, then they're able to survive. Afi, so ya. Also, if your stomach is paining you, now would the Mpemba na kakra, bibia wa hono, and also ebeka Mpemba no, and also abeko. Wubinya wa Adesuabea. That the Mpemba is coming from the riverside. Adesuabea. Inti obesha baby nipati asifo ewo no yefreho kunseke. So if you look, the place where living people are is called kunseke. Na baby ananumwa yefreno kumpemba. And the place where the ancestors are located is called kumpemba.
You said this Pemba thing is white, right? White is close to gray, and gray represents death. So why don't they kill you?
So she asked a good question. Now, white in English they call it white powder, but in Kikongo language they refer to it as Mpemba, and the color of it is gray, right? And so it's understood as coming from the ancestral realm. So that's the place where all of those who have already passed on are located. And to Wobasha, so we say, Ebia, Nipako Akom. So if you see someone going to a spiritual ceremony, so all over Africa, if you see someone going to a spiritual ceremony, you'll see that many of them, they're wearing white powder all over their bodies. And they say, Mufan say, Adia Efri Asamando, Namoyehu Nyankumadie. Because what they're doing is that they're representing those who are coming from the ancestral realm, from the spirit realm. So that's why they're wearing the white clay. And it's also something that's used in healing. Because it's seen as being a gift that comes from the ancestors. So watch out here. Because when a person dies, what do you do with them? You bury them in the ground. And this is also something that's a gift that's coming back from the ground. Watch out here. And the idea so something that would otherwise kill you would be so something that would otherwise kill you when you take in the shire, you don't die.
But you can't, if someone does kill you, you can't leave them on the floor, you just bury them so no one can see them again. So if you just leave them on the floor, they'll be dead. You gotta put them in there so they can turn back into the dirt from the day out.
Teacher no, and no yeah abrofo no mayasa. That usually that's part of Eurasian tradition to burn dead. Abibifahodie teacher no yeah na yesi that amongst African people, African culture is to bury ancestors. And see, I know you're so yeah. When Eurasians includes whites, because Europe and Asia are one continent called Eurasia. So when we talk about Eurasia, we're talking about all of them together. No, I'm talking about Eurasians, Europeans, and Asians. What are they? So that is your assignment, to go and see what Europeans look like and see what Asians look like. Ago! Now for the assignment. Oh, yeah. And see, color our high. So color is also something else.
You guys are in rare form today, not being very attentive in your studies. Kayla, we're all looking at you two because we're waiting for you two to pay attention. Because please have a seat. Please take your picture. Thank you.
Chief and us.
Thank you.
Inti sere kano ishiri na wahasi ono na jina homa owo moto nso wahasi jina homa nkwa. So the blackness is also represented by or representative of life. Now moto and also yedro. So moto is also a medicine. Yes, that also does the same thing. Inti say ebia wo yabie ai waha na say wudi adwane boni. So maybe if you eat some type of spoiled food or you eat something that you otherwise wouldn't be supposed to eat, which means the moto, you can eat the moto, which is also black. Jabidie, that's called activated charcoal. See, color in November. Yo, Kwame say I'm sorry. Kwame say Montanas.
Get ready.
Kwame say I'm sorry. Montanas.
Kayla.
Okay, right there.
Kwame say Mumbo Chenano. Kwame say Montanas. Kwame say Mon sorry. Kwame say Mon Kutu. Mon sorry.
I'll be
Mon sorry. Kwame say Montanas. Kwame say Momo Monsam. Kwame say Moma Monsaso. Moma Monsa Nifan Kwaso.
I don't know which chapter I saw.
Kwame say Moma Monsa Nifaso.
Right arm, that's the right arm.
Kwame say Moma Monsa Benkumso. Kwame say Mon sorry. Kwame say Mon hurihuri. I think there are some people who are out who have started.
Yeah, you and Kayla.
Wait, I wasn't out.
She wasn't out. Kayla was out.
Even though she didn't go over and hit the drum when I asked everyone to go hit the drum.
There was no other people around there.
You're out.
And just now, Kwame said to stand up, but he didn't say take your left arm down. You should have stood up with your arm up as well.
Kwame say Mo Tramhonshia. Mon Koto. Kwame say Mon Koto. Kwame say Mon sorry. Mumbo Monsam Moncham Honshia. Why me say Mumbo Chinano? Last time I said go get the drum, she didn't. She said that. Why me say Moncotanas? Why me say Monhuri? Why me say Montanas? Why me say Montutumre can't call in Shiren no? Monsam. Kwame Angayi. Kwame se Momra.
Kwame se Momra. Kwame se. In term.
First. Second.
Stop saying last but not least.
Oh my
Fifth.
God. And six. Oh my God. OMG.
Kwame say Mombo Monsam.
King.
She is out.
You been clap.
Wait.
This is why you should pay attention instead of talking to other people who are going to distract you. That's the point of the lesson. Kwame say Monsori.
She was waiting.
What wasn't she sure about? Kwame said, I'm sorry.
Montanasi. Kwame say Montanasi. Kwame say Monsori. Kwame say Montanasi. This time we're going to have a winner.
Winner gets to eat their lunch.
Yeah.
Kwame say Monsori. Monkoto.
She's out.
They don't the first one out.
Kwame say Monkoto. Kwame say Mombo Monsam.
The two of you. Wait. What?
I didn't stop.
Well,
I told you to squat. You didn't squat. That's the problem.
Down.
Down to the last two. I can't even bend.
I'm on.
someone.
Kwame say Mombo Monsam. Kwame say Monsori. Kwame say Monkoto. Kwame say Monsori. Kwame say Monkoto. Monsori. Kwame say Monsori. Kwame say Mombo Monsam. Kwame say Monchamohonshia. Kwame say Monhuri and Chamohonshia. Kwame say Mombo Monsam. Monkoto. Kwame say Monkoto. Kwame say Mombo Monsam. Kwame say Monsori. Kwame say Montanasi. Kwame say Monsori. Kwame say Montanasi. Kwame say Monkoto. Kwame say Monsori. Kwame say Montanasi. Monsori. Kwame say Monsori.